Question number 15. An earthworm of length 15 cm is crawling along at 2 cm per second. An ant overtakes the worm in 5 seconds. How far is the ant walking? Now, this is the earthworm. Its length is 15 cm. Its front side is here at point B. Now, in 5 seconds, the earthworm say travel d1 distance. Its speed is given 2 cm per second. The ant starts from end A and it overtakes the worm at point C. So at the same time 5 seconds, the ant travels d2 distance. So we have to find the speed of the ant. So obviously here d2 equals to 15 plus d1. So from here we can find speed of the ant. So we can find d1 from the speed of the earthworm. Here d1 equals to distance equals to speed into time. So s1t. So what is s1? 2 cm per second, and time is 5 seconds. It will be 10 centimeter. Now we can write d2 equals to 15 plus d1 implies what is d2? d2 is s2 into t equals to 50 plus d1 s2. Time is 5, right? 5 seconds. At the same time, ant travels from point A to point C, equals to 15 plus 10. So S equals to 15 plus 10 is 25 by 5. Therefore S2 equals to 5 centimeter per second. In question number 16, a train of length 100 meter is moving at a speed of 50 km per hour. A horse is running alongside the train at a speed of 56 km per hour. How long will it take the horse to overtake the train? Here, this is the train. Its length is 100 meter. That is, AB is the 100 meter, the length of the train. It travels say d1 distance from B to C. Its speed is s1. s1 is 50 km per hour, and it took time say t second. At the same time, a horse starts from A. It overtakes the train at point C. So it travels d2 distance. Its speed is s2, that is 56 km per hour, and it also took the same time t. We have to find this time. Now, obviously here d2 minus d1 is 100. Before writing this equation, we have to simplify speed 1 and speed 2. since the distance is in meter, but here speed is given in kilometer per hour. So we'll convert this speed into meter per second. Now S1 equals to 50 kilometer per hour, and S2 is 56 kilometer per hour. So we can write 50 into 1000 meter divided by 60 into 60. 1 hour 60 minute and 1 minute 60 second. So it will be 125 by 9 meter per second. Here 56 into 1000 meter divided by 60 into 60 second. So finally it will be 140 by 9 meter per second. Now we can write d2 minus d1 equals to 100 meter. d2 minus distance traveled by the horse minus distance traveled by the train equals to 100 meter. Now what is d1? We know distance equals to speed in time. So this will be S2t minus S1t equals 100. Implies what is S2? S2 is 140 by 9. Or we better take t common, then it will be S2 minus S1 equals to 100. Implies t S2 is 140 by 9, this one, and S1 is 125 by 9 minus 125 by 9 equals 100. Implies t into this will be 15 by 9 equals 100. Implies t equals to 100 into 9 by 15. So t will be 60 seconds. So in 60 seconds the horse will overtake the train at point C.